it is the 9th day of Christmas in our 12 Days of Christmas special. And today, we're going to be doing some stuffed chicken breast. And we're going to be stuffing this with some holiday flavor. We have some cranberries, we got some brie cheese, we got some fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, some chicken breast, salt, pepper, and just a little bit of olive oil. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so in a mixing bowl we're going to start with our brie cheese. I'm using rind and all. It's up to you. I know some people like the rind, some people don't. But 14 ounces of brie. Now because I'm using the rind, I'm going to go ahead and give this a little bit of a mix. And then we're going to add in about 4 ounces of cranberries. 3 to 4. Now I just want to go ahead and give this a good mix. Now we're just going to go ahead and throw in a little bit of that rosemary and thyme. You want to work that in. Now we're going to sit this to the side. Alright, so I'm going to be baking this in my cast iron skillet. We have our oven preheated to 375. We're going to take our chicken breast here. I'm going to just go ahead and make a pocket. We're going to take some of this cranberry and brie, about 1/3 of it. And we're going to pack as much of this cranberry and brie mixture in here as possible. Then once we have our cranberry and brie chicken boat made, we're going to sit it down in our skillet, like so. Now we're going to go ahead and just brush on just a little bit of olive oil on the side of our chicken. Also put a little olive oil in the bottom of your cooking dish. Now we're going to just throw a little bit of our salt, a little bit of our pepper, just a little sprinkle of pepper over the top. Now we're going to take a little bit more of our fresh rosemary, a little bit of our fresh thyme. Now we're going to go ahead, cover this with some aluminum foil. Now we're going to put this in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes until that temperature reaches 165 on that chicken. It's really going to depend on the thickness of your chicken breast, but 375 for about 30 to 45 minutes until that meat is at 165. At that point, I will bring you back. Alright y'all, we cooked ours for about 40 minutes. Voila! And there we have it. Brie and cranberry stuffed chicken breast. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.